Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. I just picked up this Roku replacement remote from my local Walmart for $19.88 and they had it right on the shelf. You can also find the same remote on Amazon.com for $19.88 and they do have cheaper ones for $7.99 and $6.55 and they have some pretty good reviews. Today we are going to pair this Roku remote to our Roku Express. Before we get started, let's read some of the steps. Step 1. Turn off the Roku player. Remove the power cable from your power player, wait 5 seconds, then reconnect it. Step 2. Wait for the home screen. When the Roku player displays the home screen, insert the batteries into the remote. Step 3. Insert batteries on the back of the side of the remote. Slide open the battery cover. Insert batteries placing the negative ends first. Press and hold the pairing button down for 5 seconds until you see the LED status light begin flashing. Step 4. Wait 30 seconds while your remote pairs for your player. Note, if the remote pairing dialog does not appear on your TV first, repeat steps 1 through 4. If you are pairing to a Roku TV, it's going to have similar steps. You are going to turn on the TV, insert batteries, press and hold the pairing button down for 5 seconds until you see the LED status light begin flashing. Step 3. Pair. Point your new remote at your Roku TV and wait 30 seconds. While the remote pairs. If the remote pairing dialog does not appear on your TV screen, repeat steps 1 through 3. And there is a website, go.roku.com/remote help, and I will have all these links down in the description. Alright, so now we are going to pair the replacement remote to the Roku Express. So we are going to follow the steps. The first step is turn off the Roku player. Alright, now that we have it plugged in, we are going to wait for the home screen.
Now that we are in the home screen, we are going to insert the batteries into the remote. We are going to hold down the pairing button for 5 seconds until we see the LED status light begin flashing. Step 4. Wait 30 seconds while your remote pairs to your player. Alright, it looks like it was successfully paired and it works. If you have purchased this remote or a cheaper remote, let us know in the comments below if it has worked for you. If you want to know if this remote is compatible with your device, I will put that link down in the description. It is go.roku.com/remote check. And if you need help pairing a remote, you can also go to go.roku.com/remote help. And all these links will be down in the description. Before I end this video, I want to thank everyone who has liked and subscribed. Thank you for helping me grow this channel. If this video has helped you out, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. If you would like to see similar videos like these, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.